The Court of Appeal has ruled that one of 3 London schoolgirls who left 5 years ago to join the Islamic State group in Syria should be allowed to return to the UK so she can challenge a decision to strip her of her British nationality in person. Shamima Begum, who is now 20, is unable to leave Syria after her citizenship was revoked last year. Our Home Affairs correspondent Daniel Sandford has more.
This was Shamima Begum when she first re-emerged last year, having gone to join the Islamic State group 4 years earlier, aged just 15. When the BBC interviewed her, IS had collapsed in Syria and she was asking to come back to Britain.
I just want forgiveness, really, from the UK. Like everything I've been through, I didn't expect I would go through that and, you know, losing my children the way I lost them.
But with the public divided between those who felt she'd been groomed and those who wanted her barred from Britain, the Home Secretary took away her citizenship, leaving her stranded. A decision she had been fighting from the Al-Roj camp for IS women in northeast Syria. But the appeal court said today that she should be allowed to come to the UK, talk properly to her lawyers and fight her case in person. Lord Justice Flo said, whilst she remains detained in the camp, she cannot give effective instructions. The only way in which she can have a fair and effective appeal is to be permitted to come into the United Kingdom. The judges heard that because she's in the camp, Shamima Begum's lawyers cannot even get hold of her by telephone to discuss the evidence against her. They said achieving fairness in this case should outweigh any national security concerns.
Obviously, we're disappointed with the decision and the Home Office will be appealing it. Beyond that, it's an ongoing legal matter, so there's not much more I can say.
Shamima Begum left Britain in February 2015 with 2 school friends, travelling through Turkey to IS territory in Syria, where they married fighters. Her 2 friends are believed to be dead. The lawyer for her mother and sisters told me they were relieved that they might yet see her again.
Well, they're certainly heartened by the decision today that is a step further towards Shamima Begum potentially coming back to the UK and being safe.
And speaking by phone from Bangladesh, her father was also pleased.
I certainly welcome the court's decision. I hope she gets justice. I'm happy and every father would welcome this.
But the Home Office insists Shamima Begum is a threat to national security. And while the Home Secretary tries to overturn today's decision at the Supreme Court, she will remain in northeast Syria. Daniel Sandford, BBC News.